We've all been there. You change a core function, run tests, and everything passes. But what about the microservices or other modules that depend on it? Are their integration paths actually covered by tests? If traditional tools tell a reviewer that 10 downstream files are affected, the reviewer still has to manually verify test coverage across the entire system. Enter Domino, an elite 6-agent orchestrator platform that doesn't just calculate blast radius, it mathematically proves test coverage gaps and acts on them. Domino is a native GitLab Duo agent consisting of 6 specialized modules. First, Sentinel traces Orbit Knowledge Graph edges of type imports and calls to map dependence. But how do we know the tests are actually good? Enter the Arbiter. The Arbiter doesn't guess. It performs semantic mutation analysis using the LLM context to hypothetically mutate the diff and verify if the downstream assertions would actually catch the failure. When Executor finds a gap, it automatically opens a templated issue with a test stub and applies a Domino critical label, triggering GitLab's native approval rules to block the merge. To ensure speed with control, we designed an enterprise dashboard. Reviewers get a highly scannable Markdown table, a traffic light confidence score grounded in our semantic mutation analysis, and an audit log where the agent explains its reasoning. No more black box AI. Domino provides complete, auditable proof for every flagged test gap. Because Domino is built natively on the newly released GitLab Orbit Context Graph, it achieves this without the massive latency of traditional tools. It queries the elastic object storage in milliseconds, retrieving only the highly relevant subgraphs for the current pipeline. This means reviewers aren't waiting around for an AI to slowly pass the entire repository. The intelligence is instantaneous, natively integrated, and completely frictionless within the Duo agent platform. In a Fortune 500 environment, silent integration failures cause P0 outages. Domino is a systemic risk gatekeeper. But Domino is also a green agent. By autonomously catching cross-project integration gaps before a merge, we drastically reduce downstream pipeline failures in main. Fewer broken builds means less wasted CI, CD compute, directly reducing the carbon footprint of enterprise development. Empirical, orchestrated, sustainable. This is Domino. Thank you.